To set up the school grading system on Skolera, log on to Skolera using your admin account. From the navigation menu, select the administration pane and then click on Grading System. Here you start creating templates to be applied to the courses. The first type of template is the pass limit template. To create a pass limit template, add new pass limit, enter a name, enter the total grade. This is the maximum grade for the course. Enter the pass limit. The percentage is calculated automatically. And if your school uses the credit system, enter the credits required for this course. And then click on Save. You can create a copy of this template by clicking on Create Copy, or you can edit or delete the template. Next, we create templates for the grading scale. To create a template for the grading scale, click on Add New Grading Scale. Enter a name for the grading scale. You can choose whether the grading scale is for GPA only, or for letter only, or for both GPA and letter together. Make any changes you want by changing the numbers in the high section. Notice that the low is automatically changed. There can be no gaps between the low of one and the high of the previous one. You can also change these names or delete unused or unnecessary extra letters. And you can do the same with the GPA as well. Once you've made all your changes, click on Save. Next, we create the grading categories. To create new grading categories, add new grading categories. Write a name for the template. Select the level that this template belongs to. Now notice that you can select multiple levels, and if these levels were associated with other grading category templates, they will be removed from those templates and added to this one. Now choose whether the categories are weighted or have absolute numbers. Then start adding your categories. You can have main categories, you can also add subcategories. So under coursework here, we will add two subcategories: homework and classwork. And under assessment, we will add two subcategories: quiz and exams. Once you've added all your main categories and subcategories, click on Save. Next, we will add the grading periods. To add a grading period, just click on Add Grading Period, enter a name for the grading period template, select the levels that it belongs to, and again, also here, if you select a level that already belongs to another grading period template, it will be removed from that grading period template and added here. Then start adding your grading periods. These are the terms or semesters that are applied and used in the school. and then add, enter the name for the second term, and then click on add grading period. You can also add sub-grading periods, like quarter 1 and quarter 2, and under term 2 we can add quarter 3 and quarter 4. Now you need to adjust the dates for these terms. Make sure that the dates do not overlap and do not have gaps in between them. Click on a date to change it. Change all the dates. Notice here, since quarter 1 ended on the 31st of October, quarter 2 must start on the 1st of November. And here, quarter 2 ended on the 31st of December, so quarter 3 starts on the 1st of January. Once you've completed adjusting all your dates, click on Save. Out of practice, when you're creating grading categories, create one category for each section in the school. So if your school has 3 sections, for example, an American section, a British section, and a national section, create one grading category template for each, and include in that grading category template all the categories that are used in all the courses within this section.